Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Be Quiet Pure Base 501 case and Pure Power 12 power supply. So friend, Be Quiet has announced a latest offering in the mainstream market, the Pure Base 501 case series and the Pure Power 12 power supply series. Building on the success of the Pure Base 500 series and the Pure Base 501, maintain a focus of functionality and compact design, catering to both gaming and professional computing environment. And the case series is available in multiple configurations, including model optimized for silent operation or enhanced airflow with option for solid and transparent side panel and color variation in black and white. And additionally, the Pure Power 12 series expand Be Quiet power supply lineup featuring unit with the 80 plus gold certified and fixed cabling to ensure stable performance and reliable power delivery. And the Pure Base 501 is designed for users seeking a versatile and compact PC case without a need for aesthetic enhancement like ARGB lighting. And the series include a silent variant with a closed front panel in black and as well airflow optimized model and mesh front panel available in black and white. And the case support ATX, micro-ATX, mini-ITX motherboard form factor, providing flexible for various build configuration. And cooling is efficiency managed by two Pure Wing 3 140 mm PWM fans located at the front and rear of the case. And these fans are engineered with 7 airflow optimized blades to maximize airflow while minimize noise, ensuring effective cooling for high performance component. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.